Hi there, quick tip today on how to fix iPhone charger cable. The original cables are very expensive and we want to prevent them of breaking as much as possible. So I have tried different ways and either they doesn't look good or it doesn't work very well. For a long time I gave up and just used my cables until they break. So now I had this idea to use heat shrink to reinforce the charging cable. So this one just started to break and I will show you how simple it is to fix that. I got these transparent heat shrinks and I cut them in half. And I will use 2 halves for each cable. Once you have it in place, you just need to heat it. Then you put another half so you have double reinforcement. Heat it again. The heat shrink will cool down and will be even harder than now, so the band will be even softer. If you have a cable that is even worse, I really recommend you to use a tape. I'm going to use a white tape so it will look better in the end. And of course, after finding out about this hack, I will use it with my brand new cable and it will last forever. I choose the transparent heat shrink because it looks more like the original one. But if you get the blue one, for example, it's a great idea because nobody's going to take your cable by mistake again. So just write on the comments what color did you choose and send me your picture about your brand new cable that is going to last forever. If you want more tips like this one, just subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.